Thank you for coming in. I'm just in the office today. Y'all have always seen me out in the shop area. You hadn't been in the office, I don't think. I hadn't invited y'all in here yet. So, yeah, you get to come in the office where I work on guitars today. And that one on the wall has got a wiring issue. You have to have both volumes up to get it to work. If both of them aren't up, it won't play. And so I'm thinking there's a wire going to one of the pots is in the wrong place. It's something simple, I'm sure. I got that, and then I got my other stuff I've been working on around here and doing different projects. So, yeah, it's just my little place. So I'm gonna give you a quick little look around the room while we're in here, okay, and just kind of see what's here, so you'll get an idea of what's in my place. I have a lot of. First of all, I got my Barney Miller water cooler, and that keeps me hydrated pretty good, so that helps. Got a big rolling box. I got all my stuff here, hand tools. I got some test samples I've done, doing some sample test up there for stains. I built me a big heavy duty workbench here. I used plywood. So this bench is built out of 2 sheets of plywood. And then I put some fancy trim on it. But yeah, it's a cheap workbench in this day and time. So that was on that, and there's the base I built, and the cabinet over there, well, that's full of all my other ones. And let me give you a little swing around. I'll take you around that way a little bit. I think I can get you over there without knocking you down. I built the one with the brown and white one in there. I built. The rest of them are just ones I picked up. And that's all my other stuff there. And then around there's my editing table and all that stuff. But let's bring you back in there where we was at and get back to the work table. There we go. So anyway, there we go. Hey, it ain't too bad. Maybe it'll go a little higher, but it'll work. So anyway, I got some parts in for this guitar, but they sent me the wrong bridge. I ordered a bridge for one of these Telecasters I'm doing, and I'm gonna put a wooden back on this one, and this is the top. And I ordered the bridge, and it came in, but it came in as a brass barrels, and I ordered 6 individual saddles. So I don't know how that happened, but I sent it back. I turned it in on the Amazon, and they'll send me another one. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. So that'll get us back working on that part of it. We can keep moving along on this project, and you know, that'll get it going. So we're just putting standard tele controls in this, because after it's all, the back's all glued on it, the only access is going to be through that hole right there and the pickup holes. Is the way I've got it designed on this one. I've got it figured out to do it that way. That's the idea. So, but there's where that one's going to go, and it's going to get, just like I say, standard tele stuff in it. And it'll be like that, but it'll be the right one instead of that one. So let me get that out of the way. What else is going on today? Oh, I guess y'all know about this. Yeah, y'all seen that happen on the thing. Yeah, I guess I need not a up. My bit was a up cut router bit that picks up the things, and well, it picked it up. That's pretty much what the cause of it was, other than me just getting a little too close to the edge was the biggest problem. Okay, so yeah, that happened. So yeah, this is the one I'm putting the back in, and I got this cut to go in it, but it's way too heavy, so we're going to take some of that out. We don't want all that. And like I say, that top was going to be for it till, well, we tore it all to pieces. And you know, I took a pound and 2 ounces out of that top before I cut the back out of it. So it was doing good. We were doing fine. I was happy about it till then, yeah. And then my little Harmony here, I'm going to build one of these, and I'm going to put a wooden top on it. So got that going in the future here too. I think I'm going to do this one out of cherry, and the cherry with the black on the back. Just read comments and keep going and doing what I do, okay? So yeah, I'm on the different path. Y'all know that. Spike's always doing things just a little different than everybody else. And well, you know, I've moved some cameras around and done some different things. And this thing where we're working on the camera here, so like we're gonna work right there a minute, I can get us over there where we can see that too, because I'm getting better over this. See? Look at that. Oh Lord. Lordy mercy. Whoa, 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 hold me down. Hold me tight. Oh. I gotta have, yeah. Hank, good Lord, brother, thank you. Mercy, my, hey, everybody that just come into this room with Hank, I want you all to know, thank you all so much. My goodness, I mean, I am just overjoyed with the brotherhood of this place. I tell you what, I love it. I wished I'd have been here a long time ago, guys. I do. I wished I'd have been here with you a long time ago, but well, we'll see. But hey, wow, I'm just blown away. I'm having to read comments because my earbuds are not working, guys, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, let me give you a little update since you're all bouncing in. I'll give you a second to settle and look around a second, and well, you've seen enough to know, well, let me get you started here. I do crazy stuff. I guess y'all figured that out. I built that bass guitar right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop. Now, I built that bass guitar, and that's out of one piece of solid sycamore. It was out of a slab about this tall, about that wide and about that thick. And I put it on the sled and carved it out with a router. So let me see what all y'all got to say here. Guys, I appreciate all the follows, man. Oh, man, what in the world? That's blown me away. Thank you, man. I'll show it to you a little closer here in just a minute. Hey, guys, everybody, thank you so much. Hank, brother, you the brother of all brothers, man. Hey, thank you, bud. I mean, I told you earlier you was a bud, and I meant it. You a real bud. Thank you, brother. But, yeah, I molded up some Telecasters out of thermoformed plastic, guys. Yeah, I'm a little crazy. Y'all figured that out by now, I know. And so what I'm going to do is this one, I'm going to put a chunk of wood on the back of it because this is the front. So I'm going to put a piece of wood on the back here and put the pitches and stuff, and I'm going to put a standard set of tele-style pickups and stuff in from the front right here so I don't have to make any more holes. And then we're going to put a wood back on it, and then we'll make an ambrosia maple like this or something to put in it, okay, guys? I mean, I'll do what I can with that, but now, y'all be kind to me. I don't have all my bots and stuff set up because I am definitely a rookie at this. I ain't really got a choice. Now, y'all may notice that little project on the shelf up there. That's an acoustic I've been working on. And it's hollowed out, but I had a problem with that one too. Look, yeah, that's a kind of a problem we've been having lately. This one, the router bit come out and ate. It's just what it is. It's in the scrap pile now, guys. Yeah, let me see what y'all got. Any comments or anything there? Oh, well, no comments. Any questions? Hey, if you got a question, feel free to ask. I'll do everything I can to answer, okay? But I got several guitars going, and if y'all seen my little video on the channel, y'all go back and look at that 13 seconds of terror when this thing went bad. That happened Sunday live, or Friday night live, I think it was. And it went right through the bottom of it. So I was going to be on some more the last couple of days, but guys, my dad had the COVID, and I've been having to deal with him and help him out. So that was the problem we've been dealing with around here. So Gretsch double jet body style. Yeah, it's this one's just a standard Telecaster. The bass was a copy of a Washburn T25 when it started, but it went way away from that by the time I finished, guys. I mean, it's crazy. And I got a harmony that I'm working on. I got the back cut for it. This is the back for it. I got the back of a Telecaster. Like I said, I was making the front for it, and that's when all that went crazy. But I got a wiring problem with that, and you got to have both controls up for it to work. And I'm thinking it's one of the wires is on one of the wrong lugs coming from the pickups to it, and there's something's crossed. It's just two wires crossed, I think is all it is. So I took all the controls out of a T25. I'm sure I put them back right, but somehow they're not working. So, yeah, anyway, let's see. Anybody else got any questions out there, anything? I'm here to try to answer them the best. And, hey, anybody let me know how the audio is today? I put a new microphone system in. It's the first day using it. Hey, Guitar Show. Wow, thank you, brother, for coming in. I'm glad to see you too, man. Blows me away to have you in. You know, I've been watching you and Hank and Orbiter and all the guys, and just learning how y'all do this and what y'all do, and seeing your projects and just seeing where I can contribute a little bit of me and my personality to this community and the way y'all do things, okay? So, and that's what I'm going to do, is just do things kind of like I do. So, you know, I think we ought to go for a run out into the wood shop and look around. Do y'all want to go look in the wood shop right quick before we tear this guitar apart? If you do, I'll hit the button and we'll go, guys. So, hey, if you would, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let me find the right camera here. Let's take us out to the... Uh-oh, wait. When y'all see me working on stuff, if I don't have this on, you make sure to tell me to put it on, please. And I won't be able to see the comments while I walk out there and point at stuff, but I'll come back and read them all because my speech text is not working. I had a major Well, I hooked up new microphones and different things and another camera, and well, everything goes wrong when you do that. You know how it is. So let's get an overhead of the whole shop out there. There you go. It's coming to you right there. And so I'll let that come up on the screen, and I'm coming out to you guys. Let me walk out this shop door. Well, welcome to Spike's Frugal Fixture Shop, where all the crazy happens around this place. That's the thermoforming machine that I do all the plastic thermoforming on. And this is my router table that's got a little of everything built into it, including downdraft for sanding and a router that goes on top and all the routers under the bottom, the sled clamps on it. Thickness sanders here. That'll thickness sand a 20-inch wide guitar body or board. This is my shopsmith. And I've had shopsmiths for a little while, and I've got another one in the corner over here. And I have 225 American dollars in this machine and that machine, including a sander, both band saws, the drill press, the overhead router, the lathe, and all of that. And I took one of the band saws. If you see that one and this one right here, they're supposed to be the same. But Spike's a little different, guys. Y'all know that? So I cut this one in half and stretched it and put 4 inches in here. So now to cut a 10-inch guitar top. So, hey, that's the wood shop and kind of what's out here. In the corner, I hope y'all can see Marge over there. The blue thing, that's Marge. She's like my interior dust collector that collects the stuff inside the building. And then all this piping along the wall collects everything else and gets it out. And well, it's just my way of doing little things. I've only done 2 guitars, guys, so I'm into guitars and hard at them, and mostly I'm a maker. So when I do something, you're going to see different ways of doing it for sure, and I guess I'm the only guy making plastic guitars now. Okay, I'm back. Yep, I just giving y'all a little look at what's out there. Let me see if y'all had any questions or anything about what's going on out there. Maddie, I'm glad to have you in, brother. Manny, Manny, I'm glad to have you, brother, all the way from Australia. It's an honor to have you up here, brother. You one of our good people in this community, and you and Hank and all of them. I mean, Mark, I'm all loving all my buddies. I mean, it's really a help to have all of you here with me, guys. And you know, I'm just pushing through and doing what I do and enjoying it. And I make stuff and have fun with it. And it's about building things that I want to do because I ain't got to please nobody else anymore. I'm an old damn man. And then when you get to be old, you can do that. So, yeah, I got one more plastic part I wanted to show you before I pull that bass down and go to work, okay? And then I'm just going to settle down and go to work on that. Yeah, I bounce, guys. I'm aware of this. I took my ADHD meds today, but it ain't helped much. But I made this carved top. Y'all see this? On the thermoforming machine. And when I did, I was thinking about making a guitar, putting controls on it, put a back on it, and making, that'd be it. And I got to looking at it, and the more I thought about it, but why don't I roll it over this way and put a block of wood in it for a neck and just pour it in epoxy with something crazy inside of it. So I want to know what's everybody's craziest idea for something to put in clear epoxy or colored epoxy in this guitar that will come shining out on this carved top on the top. So we've had some crazy ideas. We've had marshmallows, which I don't think will work. Gummy bears, questionable. Popcorn, cotton balls, and what's some of the other crazy ones that I've been told? Oh, yeah, y'all don't, yeah, I'll tell you about it anyway. I was at lunch the other day talking about this with the family, and my son-in-law, which is, well, he's a little different. He said I should put feminine products in there in the epoxy. No, we ain't doing that. That ain't happening, guys, so no. It freaked me out. His mom about fell under the table, okay? We was at the Papa's and Beer, and she about went under the table. I laughed so hard. Maybe that thing, didn't come back? Nope, no sound. Okay, guys, well, hey, let's pull this guitar up on the bench and open it up and look inside, and maybe y'all can, help me. Man, I see all these people that's following me. Whoa, Mo. Dudes, y'all blowing me away. Hey, Hank, guys, these people are just so good. I mean, I am. Y'all are making me happy here to do this, and I just love being here, and I'll do whatever that I can do to make you happy. If you want to see something, let me know. I mean, I'm going to do my best, but I'm going to lay that there for now. and get these all out of the way, all my junk.